What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Um, I think I'm live. Okay, I think because it's sorry, guys. It's asking me to rotate the device, so it has like this padlock kind of thing. So I was a little bit confused as to whether or not I'm live. Anyways, welcome, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. I am Temitope Banks, and I'm going to be talking about tips to get your business loan approved. Okay. um yeah, so I'm not just going to waste your time. Let's just get right into the crux of today's video. So as a small business person, a lot of small businesses need loans in their businesses and funding, basically. So getting money from a bank is one of the options that you may want to consider. And if you are considering this option, then you want to continue watching this live streaming, this video, and all of that. So I have 5 tips that I have. Okay, so we're live back. You may want to screenshot whatever it is that you okay. So because a lot of people get money and they do not use it to do the things that they say they want to use it to do, and it affects your business. Okay, so you don't want to be like that. um so before you go out to go and get a loan, you want to know what type of loan is right for you and your business, because not every type of loan is right for your business or right for you. So you want to be clear, and you want to do your research to know, okay, what are the loan products, excuse me, for SMEs that are available, and what's the interest rate, and would you be able to cope, okay, with the repayment terms and all of that. So you really want to do your research to know what type of loan product would be. Sorry, guys, it keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. So the first tip I'm going to say is to have a great credit score. Okay, so before you think of going to get a loan from a bank, because they are going to be checking what your credit be qualified to get a loan, okay, from a banking institution. So you people based in Nigeria, because I am based in Nigeria, back to know what your credit score is and if you actually qualify to get a loan. The second tip I'm going to give to you is to have a business plan. You to first of all put your thoughts out to your brother or your sister or family and friends. People want to see a well outlined presentation of what it is that you are doing, okay, what your business is about, what is your management structure, what's the vision, what's the mission, what's the financial plan, okay. Not just going to meet somebody to say, oh, you can't just go to a bank and say, I have an idea, or I have a business. Because first of all, let me just say this, that startups, you usually not get loans from banks. Okay, if you're a startup, if you're just starting your business, going to a bank may not be the right option for you. Okay, there are other funding options, and you may want to check out my video on other ways to raise funds for your business apart from getting a loan from a bank. All right, so you want to in your business plan, you want to include what the vision and mission of your business is about, your management structure, your financial plan. You want to include all those things, SWOT analysis. Yes, I did a video yesterday on SWOT analysis, so you may want to that video. Okay, so it gives you to have a business plan, because when you include your business plan in your loan application, it just shows that what they are doing, this person has a direction of the business, this is how the business has been running. And so people just take you seriously, the bank will take you seriously. Okay. The third tip I'm going to give to you is that you need to have proper records. I i was opportune to sit in a loan review committee while when I was working in the bank. And we're supposed to wanted to we had like different files that we're supposed to review and see whether or not they will go to the next stage of getting the loan. Okay. And one of them was a micro businessman, a petty trader. And he couldn't show the flow of income of money in his business. Like there was no record. And you see, this thing about record, it doesn't have to be something very super sophisticated. Just your petty ledger, or what's that thing called that business people have. I sold so this today, just to have records that are actually going on in this business. Because guess what, the bank wants to see that money is flowing. The bank wants to see your statement, they want to see your what are those things again? Your balance sheet, yes, your income statement, and all of those things. They want to know that if we give this person our money, because if bank gives you depositors money, because it's not the bank's money, or that you can actually show that you can pay back depositors money. Okay. So you want to keep records. So before you go and say you want to get a loan for your small business, do you have records? Does your business have record? Are you keeping records of stock that you're going to ask for those things? All right. So as simple as it is, a lot of small have records for your business. So if you've not been keeping records, this is a great time to start keeping records for your business. So the first tip is that be clear on what the money will be used for. So when you're making your application, in your loan application, you have to be clear as to what exactly is this money going to be used for, so that anybody who is reviewing your loan on the other side can effectively appraise that, okay, this person is going to need an inventory finance type of loan. Okay. Or there are different types of loan products. So they'll just be able to appraise your request to know that, okay, this is exactly what this person needs. All right. So be clear as to what that money is going to be used for. So don't just wake up and say, I'm going to get loan, and you don't know what exactly. All right, so we're back. And the bank would require that you the equipment or whatever it is you want to buy is bought in the name of the bank and not your own name. Okay. So after the expiration of the tenure of that particular transaction and you have been able to pay back, then they transfer the particular equipment back to you. So if you are not clear as to what it is that you want to do, if you just need money to run your business, or if you need money to go to Dubai to go and buy stock and all of those things, nobody's going to give you money. So you need to be clear as to what the money you want from the bank would be used to do. So the fifth tip, and which is the final tip I'm going to be giving today, is get the necessary documents and requirements. So this is very simple, but I don't know why it is hard. Like every financial institution has requirements on the type on what you need. That's after they've approved that you are qualified to get your loan and all of that. They have their requirements as to the documents that you need to be. So you need to bring legal documents. So if it's a business loan, it is assumed that you have registered your business with the authorities. So we need to see your incorporation documents, So if you have a partner, we need to see that there's a board approval. Do you understand? So all those little documents, your means of identification, your financial statement, your application itself, all those things, each lender has different requirements, but they're different but similar. You want to ensure that all those things are put together. Like I said, I've approved over 5,000 loans, and I always see files that something as little as your means of ID not being in your file, I throw it out because you're not serious. So you need to have your documents ready, okay? Always ensure that your relationship manager, whoever is putting your loans together, your loan files together, ensure that they put all the documents. And when they ask you to bring documents, don't run away from those documents, because those are the things that will be used to approve your loans. Okay guys, I hope this video was valuable. If you found it valuable, if you found information valuable, please tell me in the comment section. And if you have any questions that you would like to ask me about loans, about business, just ask me in the comment section and I would be excited. I have a video idea here, but I would like to know if it's something that you guys would want me to do. And it is best lenders for small business, for startups, especially if you're in your first year of business and you want to raise money from lenders that are not banks. I've mentioned under other funding opportunities that may not necessarily be loans, so you may want to look out for that video. But this particular one has to do with lending platforms or lending bodies that are not banks, but that would be, they are more friendly to startups to give you loans. So thank you so much guys for watching this live stream. So join me again tomorrow 1 p.m. West African time, yes. Today I started, sorry, a bit late because my phone was in charge, so apologies. So tomorrow I'll be live again. So thank you so much guys. If you are not following us on Instagram, please follow us on Instagram, Jeenagerbiz, and I'll be excited. And if you need you want to work on your business plan, I've created a workbook to show you the different parts of a business plan, and so you can do it by yourself, okay? And I'll leave the description in the link to get the workbook in the description box below. Bye.